Are you looking with space-saving appliances on the rise? Portable washing machines have become a must-have for apartment dwellers, students, RV enthusiasts, and tiny home residents. Compact yet powerful, they offer convenience without sacrificing cleaning performance. In this roundup, we've evaluated the best portable washing machines based on wash performance, build quality. List 1. BLACK+DECKER 0.9 cubic feet portable washer. The BLACK+DECKER 0.9 cubic feet portable washer stands out for its combination of compact size and functionality. With a 6.6-pound capacity and 5 wash cycles, this model is ideal for individuals or couples living in small apartments. The LED display is user-friendly, while the Quick Connect sink adapter and drain hose make setup a breeze. Users appreciate the quiet operation and stainless steel tub that enhances durability. Though compact, it handles daily laundry loads efficiently. It's not the largest option, but for tight spaces and occasional washing, it's a solid performer. The portability, energy efficiency, and smooth wash cycles make list 0.0 square feet full automatic portable washer with LED display. This 2.0 square feet full automatic portable washer delivers performance and style, featuring a sleek LED display and user-friendly controls. Its larger capacity, roughly 15 pounds, makes it suitable for families or roommates sharing a laundry unit. With multiple wash modes, a built-in drain pump, and a transparent lid, it offers convenience with a modern touch. Its fully automatic operation means once you load your clothes and select the cycle, everything is hands-off. Reviewers highlight its efficient water usage and deep cleaning ability, particularly for bulkier items like jeans and towels. Slightly larger than entry-level models, its list 3 Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine. The Giantex Twin Tub Portable Washer is perfect for users who prefer a manual experience and want to save both water and electricity. It features a 20-pound total capacity, washer 12 pounds, spinner 8 pounds, and operates 2 tubs side by side, one for washing and one for spinning. While it requires manual water fill and transfer, this model gives you more control over cycle time and rinse quality. Users rave about its powerful spin dryer that significantly reduces drying time. It's lightweight and extremely popular among RV owners and dorm residents. If you don't mind some hands-on work, list number COSTWAY Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine. The COSTWAY Twin Tub Washer is a durable, high-capacity option, offering 12 pounds of wash and 8 pounds of spin capacity. Designed with heavy-duty plastic and a simple interface, it's built to last and easy to use. Like the Giantex, it features dual tub operation, allowing you to wash and spin at the same time. The drainage tube is efficient, and the wash timer offers customizable control. It's slightly larger than other models, but offers excellent value for money. It's a favorite among campers and mobile home users thanks to its solid cleaning power and easy mobility. List 5. Panda 10 lbs capacity fully automatic portable washer. The Panda portable washer is a top-tier choice for those who want a fully automatic washing experience with reliable performance. It has a 10 pounds capacity and a 1.34 cubic foot stainless steel tub, making it ideal for regular use in apartments or vacation homes. It includes 10 wash programs and 5 water levels, so you can customize each load easily. The built-in drain pump and top-loading design add convenience, and its smooth operation keeps noise levels low. Users especially appreciate the quiet spin cycle and modern design. While slightly pricier, the advanced features and full automation make it well worth the cost.